my name is Anya, and today I really want to take a twist on the classic, a fruit mince pie, and I want to make it into a cookie. So, if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload every day, Monday to Friday.
In a bowl with 3¼ cup of flour, add in a quarter teaspoon baking soda and a pinch of salt. Mix and set aside. In a bowl with 4 tablespoons of butter, add in a 1/3 cup of sugar and mix until light and fluffy. Add in 1 egg yolk and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix until well combined. Add in your dry ingredients and mix until a smooth dough forms. Add in 3 tablespoons of fruit mince meat, and mix until well combined. Spoon onto a baking tray and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. Enjoy!